We left early in the morning from St Vincent for a 55 miles sail up to Rodney Bay at St Lucia. Down here we have the capital of St Lucia. What was the name, Albin?
Good question.
We don't remember. Two really big cruise ships come in here.
Hello. Let me out.
The old jail in St Lucia. Rodney Bay. A lot of people put their boats here under the hurricane season. Here we have the fishing village. Hello.
How are you, Ratola?
Yeah, good. Here.
I'm good.
Today's catch.
Well, not so really catch, but every day is fishing day, but not every day is catching day.
Ah.
You know that?
Yeah, I know. I'm a sailor, we only get fish now and then. Soufriere hills.
Yes.
Diamond waterfalls, St Lucia. Now I'm going to show you the absolutely best marinade for pork and lamb. I use two kinds of grill oil, one all round.
Small, honey.
Yeah, I'm going to change. And one with a little chili, timian, garlic, little salt, this is spice cumin. In English they say cumin, but for me this is cumin, this is spice cumin. It's a little yellow. Sambal oleg. Dijon mustard. The best is if you can let it marinate for 2-3 hours before you put it on the grill. And this was the best day to decide to barbecue. I think. This water comes from underneath. Oh shit, 45 degrees Celsius. Hot.
Water temperature 100 Celsius or 12 Fahrenheit. 171 Celsius or 4 Fahrenheit.
Hello. Today we're gonna put back the propeller. We have cleaned it and painted it. We get so much barnacle on it, so we try to paint it now. See what's happened. Thea cleaning a little bit. More bits. To buy some souvenirs. This is gonna be good.